Hi everyone. It's your girl Tahula Setsana here, wanting to welcome you to this little teaser blurbs on a new workshop that I'll be doing called Snakes and Eights. I've actually only taught this in private lessons, so I'm excited to be able to bring it to a 4-week workshop in February of 2020. Dates and locations will be announced at a later date, but just wanted to show you some of the previews of some of the things that we'll be working with. Whether you're a seasoned dancer or beginner to dance, we're going to break down these moves that can always add to any kind of choreography, stage presence, or if you're just wanting to get up and dance around and maybe like a hopla or something like that, it'll help you. So we'll be going over the first week various types of snake arms, undulations, mayas, pretty much anything that falls along with the snakes and eggs. Second week, we will be putting it together a little smoother and forming some combinations. Third week, we will add some layering with that. And fourth week, we will be adding props. So definitely stay tuned to my website, which is Devi Dance Studio. That's DEVI dancestudio.com. And on my social media pages for more information, as well as dates and times. I know some people would like to have this as an online thing. If I get more of an outreach for doing it online, then I may post it on my Patreon page for online subscribers. But just to give you a little sneak peek on how we're going to be able to do all these things, and it doesn't matter what body type you have, I'll be able to show you how to dance for your body type. It would be lovely to have a large meeting place. That way you can be surrounded with love and have a one-on-one hands-on experience with other fellow dancers and enjoy yourself to the fullest. So stay tuned, February 2020. Super excited. Snakes and Eights with Tahula Setsana. It's going to be super awesome, and I hope to see you there. So definitely have a wonderful holiday weekend. You guys are the best. Hugs, many blessings. See you soon.